episode for today is Fun Facts About Animals. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and also click the bell button to get notified. So let's start! Number 1. Did you know that a duck has 3 eyelids? Number 2. A gecko uses its tongue to clean his eyeballs. Number 3. The chameleon has a tongue that is 1.5 times the length of its body. Number 4. The blue whale is the largest animal to have ever existed. It is 96 feet long and weighs 125 tons. Number 5. The fastest bird is the peregrine falcon. It can fly at a speed of 168 to 217 miles per hour. Number 6. The smallest fish in the whole world are the pygmy goby and the Luzon goby from the Philippines, which are only a half an inch when full grown. Number 7. Sea snakes are the most poisonous snakes in the world. Number 8. The stonefish, which lives off the coast of Australia, is the most poisonous fish in the world. Number 9. Birds save energy by flying in a V formation. Number 10. People used to think that a manatee was a mermaid. Number 11. An owl's eyes are bigger than its brain. Number 12. A starfish doesn't have a brain. Number 13. A rabbit's teeth never stop growing. Number 14. Dogs can see colors. They are colorblind. Number 15. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Number 16. The first animal sent up to outer space was a dog. Number 17. The smallest cat is Singapore's and weighs only 4 pounds. Number 18. A goldfish can live up to 40 years old. Number 19. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. Number 20. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Number 21. Cats can't taste sugar. They don't have sweet taste buds. Number 22. Pigeons can do math. Number 23. Koalas can sleep up to 22 hours a day. Number 24. Ants don't sleep. And they don't have lungs. Lastly, number 25. A bat can eat up to 1,000 insects per hour. That's all for today. I hope you like it. And